Hey guys, Owen Jones here at Tommy Docs. Today we're going to be showing you how to put together a couple of our brand new Flexx floating dock products. What I have on my right and left are the standard 4x4 float, and we're going to show you how the connectors interact with the float so you can put them together. Let me give you a close-up of the connectors and the hardware. Alright, so I have my stainless steel bolt, my fender washer, and my square nut. These three are the hardware components for each set of connectors. The connectors are the exact same, they just mirror each other, so there's no top or no bottom connector. You pick which one you want to start with. Put the bolt through the top one as such and add the bottom one. And finally, you screw on your stainless steel square nut. All you need to do is get it to go all the way through so it's secure. Gravity will keep it in its place, so as you can see, the nut fits right in that cavity in the bottom. So we've put together our last connector. As you can see, I already have the second pair put together and put on our primary float. I'm gonna add this one to it and show you how they go together. Alright, as you can see, I've married the two floats together. I have my connectors and hardware in place. Now we're going to show you how to zip the connectors together to tighten them for use. One cool thing about the product itself is the connector wells actually act as a funnel. That funnels that bottom bracket into place. You don't need to worry about holding anything in place. It'll funnel in place, which is great. As you can see, I've got a standard cordless drill here with a 3/4 inch socket, and I've set this to 13 so that I don't over torque the bolt, which is important as we are working with polyethylene. So let's begin. We've got our floats together. Now I'm going to show you how to attach our pipe guide. As you can see, I already have the connectors ready to go, and for instructional purposes, we're just going to show you how this attaches. Okay guys, as always, thanks for watching. This video will be on our YouTube page as well as our website. As always, please subscribe to our YouTube page. Our website's TommyDocs.com. You can email us info@TommyDocs.com. As you can see, it's a super simple system. Thanks for watching.